Without objection, the gentleman is recognized for 1 minute.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I rise tonight to congratulate Homestead Air Reserve's Base 482nd Fighter Wing for receiving the Department of Defense Reserve Family Readiness Award. Through the vigilance of these brave men and women in uniform every day, Americans can live with a greater peace of mind. The safety of our families is dependent on them, and it is heartwarming to know that our military families are given the extra support that they need. The strong leadership of Wing Commander Brigadier General William B. Binger has made this distinction possible. He serves as an inspiration and motivation for such a remarkable unit and support personnel. Again, congratulations to the 482nd Fighter Wing of the Homestead Air Reserve Base for this well-deserved honor. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. And I yield back, Mr. Chairman.